The way our life is changing since COVID-19, we're seeing a lot of adjustments. People are saying, I have to make some changes in my life. I want to change a new career. Maybe I haven't really enjoyed what I've been doing. So they'll come in and they'll take the RV maintenance course, and then we'll see them really begin to blossom when they start taking the next 4 weeks of advanced classes. So what we're doing there is we're doing a lot of hands-on, because get it out of the theory and let's start applying it. But you know, one of the byproducts that we're also seeing is there's been some really strong relationships developed between the different students. And what I'm seeing is there's a lot of telephone exchange, telephone numbers exchanged, a lot of things taking place, and some friendships are being developed. And so these friendships are going to pay off big time down the road, because what will happen is one of these folks will be up against the wall, sort of scratching their head, trying to figure out what's going on with this thing, whatever they're working on, and they can pick up the phone and say, hey, have you encountered this? And there's that camaraderie. And sometimes that's what we need in the industry when we feel like we're the Lone Ranger. And something, if nothing else, COVID-19 did to us is it made us feel isolated. And what I'm finding is that when these folks start developing these relationships with these other students in their class, that isolation goes away. And so there begins to be that bonding, and you're looking after one another, and we start to see that the confidence of these technicians come up. And when the confidence comes up, the fear goes away. I'd encourage you to come and take the full 5 weeks. There's continuity that's developed there. You'll start out doing a lot of theory, and then you start understanding some basics. But what happens is when you start taking the other 4 weeks, the advanced classes, it ties a lot of things together for you and gives you continuity between what you learned in week 1 to week 5. It helps you create credibility to the consumers that are looking to hire you.